Now that's some freaking nature right there. Freakiest nature. From the one from Netflix. This is freaking nature right here. A tsunami cloud shaped cloud. If I upload this on YouTube, I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna send it on YouTube. Yeah, I bet $20 on it. Wow. Can you believe this? There's an actual tsunami-shaped cloud in our atmosphere. This is Mother Nature at best work. Look at it. It's a beauty. Look. That's a perfect formation for tsunamis. Wow. Like, oh my god. This is one of those moments that you have to see. That you see in a single lifetime. This is one of those single lifetimes. This is one of them. And this is one of them from nature. Alright, I'm gonna upload this on YouTube and tell people about this beautiful formation of a tsunami cloud.